Hi, what if I told you that you can get almost exactly the same effect with your GoPro as a GoPro Hero 7 Black TimeWarp effect? As long as you have something stable like a gimbal or any other GoPro with a time-lapse video mode, you can achieve almost exactly the same effect. All you have to do is actually to enable the time-lapse video mode and set your GoPro to 0.5 second interval, and doesn't matter actually whether you're gonna set it to 4K resolution or 2.7K resolution and so on and so forth. Alright, check this out. The only drawback is that you actually have to keep your camera on the horizon level. Otherwise, yeah, it's a gimbal, yeah, so otherwise you cannot do it as freely as with GoPro Hero 7 Black, because there you can rotate the camera, you can point it very easily up and down, and that's not going to be exactly the same with using a gimbal. Alright, so if you guys like this video, please give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you like it, and stay tuned for more. See ya!